Oh hey, what's up guys? Today we've got a look at the SAS Super Action Statue KC from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. I'm pretty sure that's what his name is. And KC it looks like. But here's the box quickly. I don't really know a thing about JoJo. I just grabbed this because they were having a sale and I think he might look good with my Rangers and my Kamen Rider and stuff as like a villain or something. But let's have a look and see what's in here. Taking the tray out here, he comes with this extra head. I don't know if you can see that properly. Oh, focus. An extra head. I'll just show you here. The special fist. I'll get these out of the box as well, but and then all these different hands, which are nice. But yeah, and then here he is himself. Cool looking dude. Okay, and here he is here, just out of the box. He looks pretty cool. Yeah, I picked him up because I figured he'd make a decent enough villain or bad guy for my Rangers or Kamen Rider display. I know nothing about JoJo and I don't care. But he looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see articulation here. He's got... So his neck's like a double peg here. See, it'll rock forwards and backwards slightly. And he's also got a really nice ball joint and swivel there at the top. Right now we'll just swap the head now out anyway, just because we can. Okay, I think that's in there. Yeah. Okay, so in here we've got the shoulders attached to the arm there. Can you do a full 360 rotation there? Ugh. Yeah, oh, maybe not. Oh. No, I don't think you could get the full 360 rotation. Unless you really... Oh yeah, you can. I'll do that again. So full 360 rotation there at the shoulder. No in or out, like anything like that. No, well, slight butterfly. He's got bicep rotation all the way around, and a nice double bend at the elbow. And then at the wrist here, it's just, oh yeah, it's like a ball and peg with like a swivel and a rotation and stuff. Nice enough. Ugh, feels weird, this figure. Alright, now the chest. Let's see. So he can go that far backwards with his chest bend, and that far forwards. That's pretty good. Like that, pretty good. And then his like pelvis region here is like silver underwear, is like a separate piece, I guess, to kind of get out of the way for movement and stuff like that. But about like a 90-degree kick forwards. It's the same back, that's pretty good. You can go out, not quite 90 degrees, but pretty far. There's rotation up here, and a nice double knee again. And then finally down at the feet here, we've got a little bit of swivel. I could probably get more out of that if I work with it a bit. And then some up and down. And then finally some toe, which is cool. But I think he's a cool figure, definitely. Hand-wise, he's got a pair of open hands, a pair of relaxed hands, and then a pair of also relaxed hands, as well as the fists that are on. Then he has two separate fingers, one with this gold thing through it, this gold fist, and then this pointer. And then we'll just swap the heads back as well for a second. So there's the variant head. And here's the original head. But yeah, altogether I think he's a cool dude. We also did include this stand, which just pegs right into his back, which is easy enough and nice. Can I get it in there? Yeah, I can. He's a cool guy. He's a swell guy. I'd give him a 0. No, he's cool. Very cool. Let's just swap out some of the hands quickly and then we'll get to size comparisons. So we'll put the fancy hand on here with the thing through it, because we don't know what that is. But there it is there. Damn, that looks so cool. What even is that? And then we'll swap out. Yeah, boy. Alright, we'll straighten up a little bit and then we'll do size comparisons. So, yep, all straightened up. So there we have him. We've also got an SHF Kamen Rider Dead Heat, Drive Dead Heat. Oh my goodness. We've got the 1000 Toys Knights of the Slice. We've got SHF Awakening 2.0 Goku. We've got the Figma Knight from, I think, Goblin Slayer or something. And then finally, just to like even things out a bit, we've got like a standard Hasbro / Marvel Legend type figure. So like these will work. So him on the left is like standard Marvel 6-inch scale. So I think he fits in pretty well with all of these guys. You know, definitely giving off the, you know, Monster of the Week type vibes. I know nothing about JoJo and that's how it's gonna stay. But there's the squad, looking pretty cool. The end, I guess. Goodbye.